If you're wondering how to set up a global employee network with Oyster, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to get started with Oyster's powerful platform to create a seamless, scalable global workforce. Whether you're managing a remote team or expanding to new countries, Oyster can help you hire, pay, and manage employees all over the world. First, let's talk about how to set up your global employee network with Oyster. Once you sign up for an account, you'll get access to their platform where you can easily onboard employees in multiple countries. Oyster takes care of all the legal complexities like compliance, payroll, taxes, and benefits, so you can focus on growing your team without worrying about the regulations of each country. To start, you'll need to input basic details about your company, such as your business location, the countries you want to hire in, and the positions you're hiring for. Oyster will provide a list of countries where they operate, and from there, you can select the locations where you want to build your employee network. Next, you'll use Oyster to post job openings or invite existing employees to join your global network. The platform allows you to create customized job descriptions, which helps you attract the right talent. Oyster also gives you access to a large pool of pre-vetted candidates, so if you're short on time, you can quickly hire someone who's ready to work in the country you're focusing on. When it comes to managing your employees, Oyster makes the process smooth and efficient. You can manage contracts, track performance, and handle compensation all within the platform. Oyster supports various payment options, including local payment methods, so your team can get paid in their preferred currency, which is especially helpful for global teams. One of the best features of Oyster is its ease of use. The platform's interface is clean and intuitive, allowing you to keep track of everything in one place. You can manage your global network with minimal overhead, whether you're onboarding new employees or ensuring that current team members have everything they need. Oyster also integrates with popular tools like Slack, Google Workspace, and more, making it even easier to manage communication and collaboration across different time zones. If you're wondering about the security aspect, Oyster has you covered. They ensure that all employee data is protected and compliant with international regulations, including GDPR. You can rest assured that your employee network is secure and follows all local labor laws. And the best part? You can get started with Oyster for free by using the exclusive link in the description below. Not only will you get access to the platform, but you'll also be able to take advantage of an extended free trial with additional bonuses. This gives you the perfect opportunity to test out all the features before committing long-term. To summarize, setting up a global employee network with Oyster is straightforward. You can hire employees across multiple countries, manage their compensation and benefits, and streamline your HR processes all from one platform. Whether you're expanding globally or managing a distributed team, Oyster simplifies global hiring and management. And don't forget, by using the link below, you'll unlock an exclusive extended free trial, giving you more time to explore everything Oyster has to offer. So, if you're ready to build your global employee network, take action now and set up your account to get started with Oyster.